Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Dragonwar ELE-G9 Thor wired gaming mouse. On the front of the package, we can see the gaming mouse itself through this clear plastic molding packaging. On the top, we can see the Dragonwar branding. Underneath that, we can see three of the key features, which include a 3200 maximum DPI, 4 speeds of DPI, which include 800, 1600, 2400, and the aforementioned 3200. It has 9 key programmable features, and at the bottom we can see the Red Gear G9 branding. On the left hand side of the package, we can see some more salient features like the Avagoic gaming sensor, the 3200 DPI, 7 button layout, 10 grams of weight. You can access the full speed of this mouse via USB, and the rubber coating which is on the mouse itself for a firm grip. Right here we have some more technical specifications, and in other languages as well. We are only concerned with this box which is in English. Let's go through the technical specifications one by one. The power related features includes a power source via USB, high-speed USB 2.0 PC connectivity. The gaming mouse comes with 9 control buttons. The mouse cable length is 1.8 meters. It is suitable for almost every surface. Ergonomic design for professional gamers. Special gaming blue sensor with revolutionary 3200 DPI. Adjustable resolutions of 1800, 1600, 2400 and 3200 DPI. Extra supported operating systems include Windows 98, Windows 7, ME, 2000, XP, Vista and Windows 8. Right here we have an illustration with some of the keys. We can see the scroll controller has been marked off. It has a variable DPI setting adjustment which is underneath the scroll wheel, the button for the DPI I mean, and the forward and backward button is on the thumb. On the right hand side of the package we have another illustration of the product itself, and we have all the button assignment layouts. Right here we can see the backlight effectiveness, and right at the bottom we have the website for the Dragonwar brand. On the back of the package we can see the mouse pad, which is a size of 360 mm by 250 mm. We can see some more Dragonwar branding right here, and at the bottom we have a screenshot of the software that comes with this mouse. On top we can see the Dragonwar association branding, and on the bottom we have the systems that it is compatible with, like the different versions of Windows and Mac OS. Right here we have the contents of the box, and we have some information about the customer support. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Let's begin with the literature that we get for this product. We get a user manual which should help you get started with using the various functions and buttons of this product. We also get a mini disk which can install the software for this mouse and other drivers. And we have a mouse pad. We can see the Dragonwar branding and the Red Gear branding on the bottom, with the lettering Professional Gaming Mousepad on the top. It has a blue and black design, and it has a honeycomb design that runs throughout the mat. And then we get to the mouse itself. As we can see, it is a pretty chunky design and should fit a lot of hands. We have the DPI button right behind the scroll wheel, and the scroll wheel itself has a nice texture to it with a Z pattern on it. Here you can see some branding showing off the Turbo Fire branding, and there is over here we can see the different DPIs that the mouse is capable of. On the right click, you can see Dragonwar branding. Underneath all of that, you can see the red gear branding with the company's logo at the bottom. You also have a few additional buttons like the back button right here and a couple of extra customizable buttons where your thumb would usually lie. You also get these panels on the left and right hand side which would light up when the mouse is connected. Overall, the mouse has a rubberized finish which should keep it nice and secure in the hand while gaming. And on the underside, we can see some more branding for Red Gear and Dragonwar. We also have a QR code right here that would lead to the company's website. The cable itself is nylon braided and has a USB Type A interface. And on the interface module itself, you can see some more Dragonwar branding and on the underside as well. The cable is black and red in color, and in terms of length, it's approximately 2 meters long. Being nylon braided, the cable should be very durable and long lasting and should not be damaged in any way while gaming aggressively. So this has been the unboxing of the Dragonwar ELE-G9 Thor wired gaming mouse. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.